So this is another variation on our adult sternal retractor set. We have developed and designed curved rakes. This is the original straight rake, and this is the curved rake. Now let me show you why we have the curved rake. So if this were in the body, you can see how the rake is not protruding up as much, so it's less in the field of action. I'll put the straight rake in and you can see how the straight rake sits up versus the curved rake getting down out of the way. Assembling the retractor is the same as it is with the straight rakes. Start with the pillar clamp in 4 different locations on the arms. The H-bar goes next, and the H-bar becomes the platform which you build up the retracting apparatus for your exposure. Tightened forms a very, very secure platform. Into the ball clamp. You can see a shiny section and a satin section. This is specifically to identify which ball clamp and which side of the ball clamp you put the curved rake in. If you attempt to put it in the shiny section, it won't go through. If you put it in the satin section, it does. So the shiny section is supposed to be on the bottom, a ball clamp on the back, a mounting bar tightened down, ball clamp on the back, curved rake to give you right angle retraction. And if I can show you a straight rake so you can see the difference in terms of how the curved rakes create less interference in your operating field. Less chance of getting in the way, hooking a suture. It just is more convenient and allows a better field.